Alright, so just wanted to finish my video on the door speakers. So yeah, everything went well, other than just those couple things that we documented in the video. So we have sound, everything's tested out, life is good. So just time to do cleanup. Again, hope this video helps you guys. And basically the reason we replaced these speakers, let me grab one. Heard fluttering here and there. It wasn't real noticeable, but again, this is 01 Nissan, and you can see the whole speaker ring. I'm not sure exactly. Basically, the part that allows the woofer to move back and forth was completely deteriorated and just gone. So when we popped the door panel, all of the residue fell out on the ground. So yeah, that was the reason we replaced them. So you guys have a good one, and just any comments, likes, and subscribe would be appreciated. Thanks.